Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Look at this fucking shit. They're fucking gonna tear down Rod's shit. But now there's some... It looks like someone's saying they gotta tear down Rod's shit. But now... Shit, there's another one down there. Get the fuck out of here. It's the same fucking thing. Notice the demolition. Coming up soon. But then it ceased operations. What the fuck is happening around here? There's nothing changed. Roz isn't open. Roz is locked up. Like a fucking lockup. But there's cease operation stickers around everywhere. Yo, this shit is getting fucked